Now this is how you can remove a video background in a Capcut on your iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPad, when you bring your footage into the Capcut, you can select it like that so you can actually work with that file only. And in order to remove the background, you can scroll through the buttons below, and there is one called Remove BG. So this is what it stands for, to remove the background. So you can tap on it, and you have more options on how exactly you want to remove the background. The first one is using auto removal. So if you have a clear subject like a person or something which is clearly in the foreground, then this feature might work well as long as it can recognize it properly. If not, you can also use custom removal where you specifically select the areas that you want to keep, right? And you can select those, keep on adding to the selection. So depends, right? It might also be a very good alternative. But then there is also the chroma key background removal, where this is mostly used when you have a green screen footage, because the chroma key basically lets you select one color that is supposed to be removed from the scene. And if you have a green screen footage, you would just point it at the green screen and that color will disappear, leaving you only with the other objects like the foreground or whatever else is going on in the scene. But that's how it works. That's how you can do this. These are the ways you can remove it through Capcut. To be honest, I quite find it to be working well. Yeah, it's just a nice tool. It's just getting very professional by each update. So yeah, I can only recommend a Capcut. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.